in the back now. Little update here. Here is my little patch for my blueberries. Blueberries, onions, garlic. Planted predominantly last fall. Some of the newer plants of garlic went in. Some of this stuff's gonna harvest pretty soon. Duke here has a few little flowers. Chandler had lots of flowers. However, Chandler also lost his flowers, and I don't see any fruit. So that's concerning. I have heard stress. Maybe those guys all hang in there, I don't know. But I was hoping to get a few berries out of this guy, but doesn't look like it. Jason has planted some melons here. Still tiny, just planted a couple days ago. It's in the raw dirt, so good luck, right? Again, this is my showing of peas that I planted direct. And good God, direct sowing doesn't work so well here. Onion bed and a few carrots. Again, few carrots. Carrots have been a problem for me. Onward to the Zen garden area. Still early for this to show much promise, but the flax is gorgeous. Lots of stuff coming back. Strawberries doing well. Even the transplants over to this side are just taking off. Yeah, I'll do more on my little Zen garden later. Let's look at the yard. Yes, that needs to be mowed desperately. Down the path I will walk. Need to do some weeding here. Cheatgrass, my enemy, is in there, I see. Sage, flax. Poppies are going to start blooming here shortly. Most of the poppies in town have already bloomed, or at least the area where I live in, but this lower level grows a little slower than the rest. Colder, I guess. This is all my native planting from bare nothing. This is the 4th year. Really looking nice. I mean, it's really kicked it up a notch. So super happy with that. Another shout out to Wintergreen Nursery, or Winter Creek Nursery, my bad. Look at the beds. Alright, we're going to take a pause so this isn't too long, and I'll part 2 in a moment.